Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Yusef Scott with the Mirrored Millionaires Forex Group. And I thank you so much for being loyal, watching our videos, and just taking the time to learn more about Forex. Thank you so much for subscribing if you've done so already. Today, I am bringing to you a video on gold, which is the XAU USD currency pair. All right, now what I want you to do is I want you to take a look at the current price action. If you notice, currently, at least within the last 9 to 10 hours, price has hovered around an area of resistance. All right. Now we are at a resistance zone, and if you notice, that price has gone sideways. All right. Now up until this current hour, price action is actually dropping. All right, and it's dropping below that zone. Okay. So my belief is that price is going to continue to go south. All right, and I'm going to explain to you exactly why I believe so. All right, one is that has reached an area of resistance. Now price can do one of two things when it reaches an area of resistance or support. It can break through it, or it can bounce off of it and go in the other direction. All right, now the reason why I believe that it's going to go south is that, for one, the previous hour was an engulfing candle. If you notice, it totally engulfs its preceding candle. All right, and then currently this current hour, which actually was during the U.S. Open, you notice price is actually falling down. Now, about 10 minutes ago, when the U.S. actually opened, 10-15 minutes ago, price had actually gone back up, and it was actually bullish for about 5 minutes, and then within the last 10 minutes it actually went back down. All right, so and that's usually what happens. The US opens, it'll spike up or down, and then if it's actually truly going to go in that direction, it'll stay in that direction, or it'll reverse, go back in the direction that it was previously in before the open. All right, so the fact that it's in an engulfing candle and it's respecting that engulfing candle, that's a very strong point as to why I believe it's going to go south. Another very important reason why, we've gone over this before if you watch any of my videos that I have, any of my series. If you notice, there is a major gap in the market. All right, a major gap. And if you know anything about gaps, usually the market, it will fill the gap. All right, so we are on our way to filling that gap. All right, so one, price is in an area of resistance. Two, there's an engulfing candle, and three, there's a gap in the market. And that's more of a reason why I believe that it's going to fill that gap. There's another reason why, and that's dealing with the moving averages. And if you are familiar with moving averages, well, if you're unfamiliar with moving averages, you might not know this, but if you are a student of mine, you will know why we know that it's going to go down. All right. So if you're not familiar with moving averages, and you're looking to learn more about predicting price movement, I would definitely say head on over to sodarneasy.com. If you notice right here, sodarneasy.com, and get yourself registered, or I'm sorry, subscribe and join. It's only $99 right now to join our group, the Mirrored Millionaires Forex Group. And we go through thorough forex training on various topics and strategies. We are going over our So Darn Easy Forex strategy, and that actually encompasses the entire moving average. The entire moving average system that I have with the Mirrored Millionaires Forex Group. Now, I don't go into detail about the moving averages. You would have to become a part of the group to understand it. One thing, if you notice, I do not have 1,000 indicators on my chart. The way my chart is this is how I trade. All right. So what I wanted to show you guys is that you can trade without indicators. All right. You can trade just strictly price action. All I use is moving averages. That's it. The moving averages will tell you the story as to where it's going and where where it actually came from. So if you're interested, definitely head on over to sodarneasy.com, and if you like the video, definitely like it. If you are not subscribed yet, definitely do so. We are constantly putting out heavy content that's very, very valuable to your trading. Definitely appreciate your loyalty over the years. This is Yusef Scott, and I am out. Have a great day.